Hi, for Uber?
Hi.
Hi, how's it going?
Good, how
Oh,
are you?
hi. What do you, it's a nice outfit there.
Oh, thank you. Yeah, just came from the beach.
Oh, so where are you off to?
Back home. Yeah.
Oh, we're going to your house? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
What are you guys doing after all this?
I'm just doing more rides, you know.
That's it?
Well, yeah, this is my first job, so I'm just trying to I'm honestly kind of nervous.
Oh, that's cute.
You're like my second passenger.
Oh, wow. Do you do anything else?
I just like to read, and that's about it. I don't know. But my mom says I need to get out more and meet more people.
This is a good way to meet people. What do you read?
What?
What do you read?
Like Harry Potter and like Lord of the Rings.
Love Harry Potter.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
That's cool.
So what are you doing after this?
I'm just probably gonna do my another ride or something.
That's it? No plans?
Well, my mom wanted to hang out after, so I'm probably we're just gonna like watch TV or something.
Should rearrange your plans with your mom.
What do you mean?
Maybe you can hang out with her another day.
I mean, well, we hang out every day, so.
That's cute. But maybe you should hang out with me.
What?
Maybe you should hang out with me.
What do you mean?
Maybe we should just go get coffee after this.
You want to get... Wait, what? You want to get coffee with me?
Yeah.
Why?
Why not?
I mean, I don't really know you.
But you want to get to know me, right?
I mean, maybe. Like, I don't know. Like, what do you mean? Like, get to know you? Like, just what do you want to do?
Well, we can talk. We can get coffee.
I'm not really good at talking.
We do
I'm
all
sorry.
sorts of
I'm like, I
things.
get nervous when I'm like really nervous right now. Like, my heart's like kind of.
Doing just fine.
I'm sorry. I don't know if I can do this. Should I just let you out or like?
I mean, I thought we were doing just fine.
So, what do you want to like? What do you just want to like hang out and like? I can't drink coffee because I just get nervous, but I can drink like water or decaf.
Okay, I can get you a water.
Okay.
Yeah?
I don't know.
What's stopping you?
Well, I don't know. I mean, what if it doesn't go well? Like,
Why wouldn't it?
so you were just like, I don't know. I mean, you just seem so like confident. Like, I don't know.
Yeah.
I don't know if I'm like
Maybe I could teach you a few things.
what?
With confidence.
Like, what do you mean? Teach me? Like, what would you teach me? Like about like math or something?
No.
I'm pretty good at math.
Probably a different subject.
Like what?
I don't
Like
know.
history or something? Because I'm not that good at history.
You could say history.
Okay.
Kind of works.
All right. So this is your house right up here.
Yeah, are you coming in?
What?
Yeah. Are you gonna come in?
Why would I go in?
I thought we were gonna get coffee.
Well, why would I need to go to your house?
I have coffee in my house.
Oh, wait. Are you serious?
Yeah.
I don't know. I'm not supposed to like hang out with my Uber passengers. So.
Is it stranger danger?
No, it's just against the rules.
But rules are meant to be broken.
I don't know. I really don't want to lose my job, and it's against Uber's policy to like hang out with any passengers. So.
Isn't that what Lyft is for?
I mean, I don't want to get fired though.
I think it's a risk you should take.
But what about like, what about your roommates or do you live with your parents?
I live alone.
Huh. Oh, that's cool. So your parents they just let you do whatever you want then, I guess? You don't really have like a curfew then, since you live alone?
I don't live with my parents.
Okay. Well, I don't know. I mean, maybe another day, but...
Okay, at least take my Instagram.
I'm not allowed to have Instagram.
Why?
My mom says it's like... She says it's like thirst traps. I don't know what that is, but...
Man, I have a lot to teach you.
So, what do you want to do?
I think you should make an Instagram and text me.
Okay. I'll make it like Uber Driver 101, and then you can
Perfect.
Or probably 102 because 101's probably taken.
Not 102.
Based on my calculation. So just text me at Uber driver 102.
Okay. I will look you up.
Okay. All right. See ya.
See ya.